I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Yaks, and this is episode 212 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, does every suite come with a mattress topper? I can't get a bottle of water when I go to get a drink, too? Will my favorite Fun Squad member be on my ship? Can I connect my iPhone to the TV on the Jubilee or the Legend? And they use a different detergent that's scented for the Platinum Diamond Laundry perk?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to confirm that all suite rooms have mattress toppers. They have a messed up back and didn't know if they needed to request one ahead of time, but they booked a suite this time, so they wanted to know. John said, yes, they all have them already. So if you got a suite, you get a mattress topper. Sweet! In the suite. That's sweet. Anyway. But that's good to know, because if you don't have a suite and you wanted to get a mattress topper, you can still do that. You just got to write to John about 3 days before your cruise, and he can get that arranged for you. Sweet. All right, I'm done with the suite. Question two. This one keeps coming up. This cruiser has seen multiple controversial posts about the new beverage policy and having to wait 10 minutes between drinks. People are saying that you can no longer even get a bottle of water when you order an alcoholic beverage. John said, yes, you can still indeed get your bottle of water. Which is good, because if you're drinking, you want to hydrate, and you don't want to sit there in line and wait another 10 minutes for a bottle of water, so at least you know, you can definitely do it. So if you like getting a bottle of water with your alcoholic beverage, you still can. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. This cruiser wanted to know if there is a way that they can find out if they're where their Fun Squad members are, and if they would be on a particular ship like they do with the cruise director's schedule. John said, unfortunately, they don't have a schedule for the Fun Squads, which makes sense because the cruise director's one person. I don't know how many people's on the Fun Squad, but judging by the sail away parties, it's gotta be 15, 20 people, I would imagine, if not more. So putting all that on a spreadsheet and keeping everybody up to date, I think that would be super hard to do. So unfortunately, hopefully when you get on the boat, you see your favorite Fun Squad there. Question four. This cruiser wants to know if they can hook up their iPhone to the TV on the Jubilee or the Legend. John said no. All ports are turned off on all TVs on all ships. And I'm 90%, 95% sure you cannot even cast to them, because most of the TVs, let's be honest with ourselves, that are on the ships are they're on there before casting was even a thing. So we've tried. We've never seen the option come up to even cast on those. So looks like you're watching it on your phone, or go out on deck and enjoy the cruise. Just me. The last question. This cruiser said there is a debate in one of their cruise groups that the detergent used for the Diamond Platinum free laundry perk is scented. Most everyone disagrees and says it's the same detergent used on the sheets and the towels that have no scent. This person is claiming to be deserving of compensation as they are sensitive to scents. Everybody wants compensation. It rained. Do I get a free cruise? No. So, is it scented or is it unscented? John said it is 100% not scented. It is the literal same detergent they use for everything else on the boat. So it's scent-free, dye-free, all that kind of good stuff. I don't know if it's hypoallergenic or not, but either way, it is unscented. So if you like having the normal fresh smell for the towels that you get on a cruise without the overpowering scents, it's going to be the same on your clothes if you send them off for laundry. That's been episode 212 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.